Hey, what's up, YouTubers? You're here with Flexsocietee. Just want to show you the difference between a good digitizing file and a bad one. The one on the left is bad. You can see there's a lot of gaps. The stitching really didn't stitch too good. Like I pointed out. There's gaps there. There's gaps there. This didn't look clean. The one that I digitized on the right looks 100% better. That's the difference between 5 out of digitizing job and a 20 out of digitizing job. Number one key in embroidering, getting a good digitizing file. So thanks a lot for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell to get notifications.